Hey guys, welcome back to HCJS Creations. In this video, we are going to be taking a look at how to download Visual Studio Code. Now, Visual Studio Code is a coding and programming tool that most programmers use because it's a very powerful tool. And now, without wasting any time, let's get into the video and let us also see how we can download Visual Studio Code. So, first we open Chrome and we type Visual Studio Code and we click on the link below. This link will also be left in the description below. So as soon as you click on the link, you can see that three major operating systems support Visual Studio Code. The first one is Windows, the second one is Linux, and the third one is Mac OS. So Visual Studio Code supports Windows 7, 8, and 10, and it supports Linux, Debian, Ubuntu, Red Hat, Fedora, and SUSE. And in Mac OS, Visual Studio Code supports Mac OS 10 and Mac OS 10 Plus. So today we will be downloading Visual Studio Code on Windows 10 64-bit operating system. So we can just click on this and you can see that Visual Studio Code is downloading here. So as soon as Visual Studio Code downloads, you will get its icon over here. So you can, after it downloads, you can either click on Ctrl J or you can click on these three dots and click on downloads. And as you can see, Visual Studio Code user setup is downloaded here. So you can select show in folder, and as you can see, it's here, and you can double click this. So usually this takes about 2 seconds, and you can read this agreement and you can accept it to download Visual Studio Code, and you can click on next. And for more easier access, you can click on browse and you can search for desktop, and you can put a Visual Studio Code on your desktop for more easier access, and you can name it however you like. And you can also create an icon. You can create a desktop icon, and you should also click on this. It adds your Visual Studio Code to path, and you can click on install. So this usually takes about 5 to 10 seconds, so be patient. So as you can see, Visual Studio Code is here and the icon has showed up here on the desktop, and you can click on this launch Visual Studio Code and you can click on finish. So what this does is it launches Visual Studio Code here, so you can see Visual Studio Code. So that's it for this video. This video will have a part 2 and we will be dropping